Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures. And in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure walking around downtown Phoenix in Phoenix, Arizona. That is right. In this episode of Alex's Adventures, we'll be taking an adventure checking out downtown Phoenix and see what this place has to offer. So here we are in downtown Phoenix. We are at the Footprint Center, which is the home of the NBA basketball team, the Phoenix Suns. Here's the Footprint Center, and we will begin our walking adventure of downtown Phoenix. Here it is. Here we are at the Footprint Center. Here is their slogan: "We are the Valley, rally the Valley." And here are the athletes for the Phoenix Suns. So we will begin our tour from the Footprint Center, and let's go ahead and see what downtown has to offer. So that is the Footprint Center. Across the street from the Footprint Center is Fry's. Not the electronics store, but Fry's Groceries, which is a Kroger supermarket. So what a Kroger supermarket in California would be the Ralph's equivalent. So here we are in downtown Phoenix. Here we have several outdoor dining options. We are checking out downtown Phoenix at night. So if you've ever been to downtown Phoenix during the daytime, comment in the comment section below how it is like during at night. So here we are. We have several dining options in downtown Phoenix. Here you have Yogi's Grill. Here we have several streets in downtown Phoenix. Usually it's quiet at night. And like I said, comment in the comment section below how it is like in the daytime. So as we walk around downtown Phoenix during the nighttime, here we have several public buildings, such as this building here. We are near the Civic Center area, or the City Hall area of downtown Phoenix. Phoenix is the capital of Arizona. And we're walking towards the City Hall building for Phoenix. Such a quiet night here. Here we're crossing Washington Street, and here's a closer look of the City Hall. This is more of a modern building of City Hall compared to other cities such as Los Angeles and San Francisco has more of a traditional City Hall. And here we have several office buildings that is in the surrounding area. Down in this direction next to City Hall is one of the theaters, the Orpheum Theater. So here's a closer look at the Orpheum Theater. Such a beautiful architectural building here, especially at night. Here we have several hotels in the area, such as this Hyatt Place. Here, what looks like to be a parking structure. And as we cross the tracks, here we have several options of public transit. Here you can take the light rail. You can also take the light rail from downtown Phoenix to outside of downtown or suburbs, such as like Tempe, Arizona, or Mesa, Arizona. Those are the suburbs of downtown Phoenix. And as we walk up to this plaza, here's more dining options such as Chipotle. And this is more of an outdoor shopping complex that is here in downtown Phoenix. So usually in the daytime this could be more a bit crowded. You have a beautiful mural with a QR code of a cactus, especially when Phoenix is a desert terrain area of the country. Here you can see several public transit options, or you can take the light rail or the Valley Metro, I think it is called, throughout Phoenix. Here, what looks to be a fitness center, EOS Fitness, kind of like a 24-hour fitness. And let's go ahead and walk down the escalators. And we're returning to the most busiest area of downtown Phoenix, especially at night. And this is more of a close to where we started, which is the Footprint Center, home of the Phoenix Suns. And here you just got done with a Phoenix Suns game. So that's about it for this episode of Alex's Adventures. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comments section below on what you think about downtown Phoenix at night. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that's on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I will definitely see you on the next one.